size face.
This is just sad, but it's worth somewhat working.
Is she ready? Too big.
Oh, that's pretty small.
Even smaller.
What would we do without him? Where?
This is a good size. You can use it as a template.
Thank you. Yeah.
A template.
Now we need customers, more customers, huh?
We do.
Well, we have all the supplies. We know what we're doing. Now all we need is the customers.
Yeah.
Finally got it organized here.
Mom, look what happened because I was using that.